Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you're watching me from. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I brought you a video I want you to watch. Please, guys, as you are watching it, share the video and put your comment below. I want to know what is going on, because this is just not funny to me. I don't want to dull this movement. Let us just jump into the movie. Let's go there right now.
Good morning, fellow dear friends. As you can see, the sit at home is going very well in Abia State. Everywhere is deserted. There is no vehicle. Semon Ekpa is truly controlling Biafra land, as you can see. No movement anywhere. Everywhere is deserted. Nobody, no cockroach on the road, no human being. Everywhere is deserted. The man in Finland is really, people are really obeying him. No overtaking by machine. Everywhere is very scanty. No movement. You can see the evidence is very clear. Woto. You can see the woto. The woto is everywhere. The woto. He's giving them woto. No machine, nothing. The road is very, very deserted. Sit at home is going very well. Can't you see? Are you not seeing it? As in a house. Even machine is no machine, nothing. No molecular vehicular movement. Okay, you can see it. Everywhere is very, very scanty. No movement. I say no movement. Area did not open. I am telling you, what I'm telling you is woto. Promise. You can see he said he's going to end DOS, and it's really happening. He's the one controlling Biafra land. Semon Ekpa. Sorry, whatever is that his name.
US 1 and 9 north towards Secaucus,
the soldier, the lawyer.
Continue straight.
Only one person you can see. Shops are closed. You can see shops are closed. No vehicle. Shops are closed. Everywhere shops are closed. You can see nobody opened. Nothing is happening. No mosquito, no fly. No mosquito, no fly. Even birds are on their road. In fact, I must say, I'm like you going to work. Sit at home. It's really working. No movement. Even me that is videoing, I am walking. I'm afraid of my life, so that his men will not catch me. Everywhere is scanty. Everywhere is scanty. I remain in Nnamdi.